The benefits of ISO 55000 are many, and to get into looking at what those benefits are, I think we should look at what the four main messages in the requirements are. So the four main messages in the requirements are: let's get objectives aligned, let's have transparent and consistent decision-making rules applied consistently and uniformly across the organization. We should have risk-based decisions from a position of knowledge, and we should be taking a long-term strategic view. So if we take those four main themes and then think about how benefits can get in there, if we have aligned objectives, that means that everybody in the organization is pulling in the same direction, and we all have clarity over what we're trying to achieve. So I see two main groups of benefits around that. The first one is that actually, if we're all pulling in the same direction, we're not wasting management effort and internal resources competing with each other. So we all go in the same direction. The bigger benefit comes from everybody having clarity over what it is we're trying to achieve. And when everybody understands what it is we're trying to achieve, then strangely, some of the things that we think we might want to do or should be doing go away, because we can all clearly understand that, actually, I understand that I think this is a really good idea, but I can also see that it doesn't contribute to where the organization's trying to get to. So that clarity over objectives is huge, and spend goes away and spend gets focused in the right areas. So that's a massive set of benefits in itself. Transparent and consistent decision making has lots of benefits as well, because it means we all understand how decisions are made, we all understand how we choose where to invest our limited resources to take the organization forward. And that means that we're focused on what we want to do and how we're going to achieve it. I'm also potentially focused on how my colleagues are spending money as well. So sometimes I can say, actually, I understand why that part of the organization is doing that initiative, because I see how it aligns to the objectives, and I see how they've chosen a route to make that decision, because they're using the same rules I would. The long-term strategic view, that's a big deal. We hear the we must reduce cost argument all the time, and for me, we go back to reduce cost over what timescale. And when we're taking a long-term strategic view, we can start to think about that timescale. I can save money today, we just stop maintaining stuff. But it will hurt us tomorrow, and it will hurt us next year. And if we take that long-term view, we can make a conscious decision about how we're going to save money and over what timescale we're going to save money.